Welcome to this tutorial video by Sierra Tech and how to transfer files to and from your Synology drive using Quickconnect access from a web browser. This tutorial is geared for those who are users of the Synology network accessible storage that have to access files and then download them, update them, and then replace the file back onto the network accessible storage. So on the right here I have Chrome set up to sign in using Quickconnect as a user. So I'll click sign in. Your administrator will provide you with the URL address up on top here to access your Synology. This user is only defined to have access just to FileStation. So that's why only FileStation shows up on the screen. So if I click this, on the left-hand side of the window of FileStation, you're able to view the shared path that's been allocated for this group. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down double-click Sierra Tech. So we have one folder in this directory called Synology. On the left here is my local window where I have some Word documents set up for reviews on Amazon. If I click this folder, you'll see that I have a file that's dated 4/1/2017. I can transfer the file and folder just by grabbing the folder and dragging it to the Chrome window that's showing up in FileStation. And I'm going to click Overwrite, even though this folder doesn't exist. Okay, so now the folder Phillips exists, and I'll double click, and there's the file. And it maintains the same date of the original file. So I'm going to open up here, 4/1/2017. Okay, so let's say I want to download a new copy of this file. So I right click on it, go to download, and I select the folder I wish to download it to. In this case it's reviews. And I'm going to have this file overwrite that file. It claims it already exists. Do you want to replace it? I'm going to say yes. Okay, now since this was downloaded, it changed its date to today's date. So if I open this document, and change it, save, and then close it. Now the content of this file is different than what's on the NAS, or the network accessible storage. So to update the NAS, I'll drag from my local window on the left to the FileStation window on the right. Now let's click Overwrite. That's all there is to it. And it now has the timestamp and the date stamp of 1423, which is 2/23 on the left. And that's all there is to for transferring, downloading files onto your local computer, which is in the window on the left, to the network accessible storage, which is on the right. We hope that you found this helpful in using your network accessible storage for remote work. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to Sierra Tech.